We talk about how can you shop online on your Fit shop. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here, and you just click on it. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you here can you just swipe until you will find any market you want to shop online. I'm going to click on Walmart here. Then you just click here on go shopping here. So if you have Walmart app, it's going to open with you automatically here. Then it's going to take you to shop online on your Walmart on your from your Fit shop. So that's all you have to do to shop online here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.